So I've been using Levels and Lumen for a long time now, and I have learned a lot. So I want to share with you what I've learned so you can better understand what these are all about and if they might be a good fit for you. Let's go. And first up, let's forget everything they offer and take a second to appreciate how motivational these two products are, because both of them do the same idea of giving you lots of information on a real-time, daily, weekly basis. And you see this information, you know what you're about to do if you make a mistake or make a bad decision, and this motivates you to do better because you don't want to skew those numbers. So if you're looking for something that's going to motivate you, make you want to be better, hold you a little bit accountable, both of these do it, so I would not give the edge to either one. If that's something you're looking for, both of them are going to be able to do it. Next up, and something I think is crucial if you're going to have success with either one of these products, is mindset. Both of these are incredibly powerful solutions. They offer all sorts of data, let you know what's really going on with you, what is working, what's not working, let you learn about what you can do to change that behavior and improve upon that and have better results, and then be able to re-watch that data to see if those changes are working how you want them to do, so you can keep making changes that get you going in the right direction and get you seeing the results you want. But if you're looking for a quick fix, something that you just buy, you start using, and you start seeing results, this is not going to be it. This is truly let you learn, let you be healthier, let you make positive changes that you can take away with you for the rest of your life. And if you're not ready to put that kind of work in, to hold yourself accountable, to want to learn and to want to make changes, probably wasting your money. And a little inside information that I have never shared before. My channel was attacked by Russian hackers and it has been struggling mightily. And I really could use some help getting us back on the right track. So if you don't mind liking, subscribing, sharing, it would help a ton. Third up is logging. You might start to notice a trend here, and that's that you have to put a little bit of work in. It can be kind of fun depending on how you look at it. But logging means telling the tool when you eat, what you eat, when you exercise, all details around those types of things. Because without that, let's say one of these gives you results and it says, boy, you were not where you wanted to be at this point in the day. And you're like, oh, what did I do? I don't know. What are you going to do with that? But if you log the data, it will pair that to what is going on between your diet, exercise, and the results and say, that meal that you thought is really good isn't quite having the results you wanted. So you know to go make changes. You know to look at that. You know to go do some learning around that, or maybe change that or eliminate that, whatever the result is, but you know what you need to go do. And without logging that information, you're kind of just running blind, and it's going to give you a small amount of what you could do. It's really going to minimize the impact of either one of these solutions. I will say, I think this is probably more so on the level side, because how they pair results to what you put in is truly amazing, and I really think it's next level, but it's still impactful on both. So something you have to commit yourself to if you're going to go do either one of these products. Next up is learning, or the willingness to want to learn, or getting excited about learning, because both of these tools are educational powerhouses when it comes to weight loss, health, wellness, all those things. And when I first started using both Lumen and Levels, I didn't use them for everything they had to offer. I really got excited about the tool side, the product itself and what it does, the ability to get those measurements and then go and do my own thing, figure things out on my own. And I quickly realized that if I don't use these for everything they're worth, I don't take advantage of the learning opportunities, I don't take advantage of the logging, I am getting a very small portion out of my investment and my ability to reach my wellness goals. So by taking a step back and saying, these things are packed full of learning opportunities, small things that I can easily learn and make my personal wellness journey that much easier, because I'm learning things every day and be able to make changes that are very impactful that I just didn't know about are very beneficial. So again, you got to get that mindset in the right place and be willing to learn. But if you can, it's very impactful. Next up, cost. And a lot of people don't like the price of either one of these, and I get it. They are not cheap, they are not easy on the pocketbook, and I sympathize. I really, really do. But at the same time, if you're watching this video, there's probably a reason. There's probably something you're not happy with, something you feel you could improve or you want to improve. And for a second, let's pretend you could go into the future 1 year, and at that point, you've reached your health goals. You've lost weight, you feel better, you have more energy, and just excitement for every day. Whatever was a roadblock for you or something you were not happy with is resolved and you feel so much better. If you look back and said, boy, I could have saved a few $100, I wish I just had the money and I felt like I used to. You probably wouldn't say that. So you need to level set a little bit if the money's worth it, because this is how you feel every day. And you don't want to live every day just feeling like you're not yourself. You want to have energy, excitement, love of life, and feeling better and being healthier contribute to that. So this might very well be worth it, whether it's Levels, Lumen, or something else. But if this is the product for you, it might be worth it if it helps you reach your health goals. And for my final point, something that I have noticed is that if you let yourself, you can fall in love with the experience. When you try to reach health goals, a lot of times you're doing things on your own. You're like, okay, I'll go do this. You fail miserably. You just don't have enough information and the tools you need to make it happen. You get frustrated and you're out. And now you're almost more upset than you were before you started because you just feel like a failure. But with this, it has so many pieces coming together to help you out, between the educational opportunities that are often in small snippets and easy to learn so it doesn't overwhelm you. You put 5 or 10 minutes a day into it and you feel good about learning and knowing you're teaching yourself to be better. But then you have the data and you get excited about the results and making changes and seeing it improve and holding yourself accountable. And then just all the different things that come in these tools, you see all the things happening, and it starts to become fun because you know you're making changes, you're doing things that you're working on yourself, and it makes you feel good about yourself. But then you see all these things in the app tying to that experience, and it becomes fun if you allow it to be. So enjoy it. So let me wrap this up by saying, if you are in the right mindset where you want to learn, you want to make changes, you want to see the impact of those changes, and you want to keep moving forward, and if you do fail and you have a mistake, you're going to bounce back and keep going forward because your mindset is in the right place, both of these can be fantastic options. Just make sure you're ready. Want to learn more? Both video and product links are in the description. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much and have a great day.